Hi ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser if you're new here, and today I'm showing you guys how I go from this to this. So I am starting off on hair that is dirty, and we're going to get like this using this headband wig that I got from CurlsCurls.com. This video is sponsored by them. I was really excited to get this wig because I've been seeing it on Instagram. You probably have too, and I really wanted to try it. So this is in 18 inches, and CurlsCurls.com is a factory direct company, which basically means that it's the factory sending you the hair, so it's not going through a middleman, which helps reduce the cost of the hair. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave it all linked down below in the description section. As you can see, this is how the headband wig looks like. The curl pattern on their website, this is called natural curl pattern, and this is what it looks like. The hair looks a little bit brownish, a little bit more brown than my hair, so it doesn't match completely with my hair, but it's not noticeable unless you're me, I suppose, because I can tell the difference, or unless you look really carefully. And the really amazing or cool thing is that it comes with all these headbands and scarves. I love the silk scarves that they sent, especially this one. This is like the most beautiful thing ever. Like, I'm going to wear it every day. And it also comes with this pamphlet on how to take care of the hair. You should definitely read it if you've never had any of their hair, but if you've had human hair, like whatever you normally do, like, would work for this hair as well. I have used their hair in the past and I've absolutely loved using it. I still have the hair that I use from them. I think I have hair from CurlsCurls official, I think twice. So all the hair is still great. I wear it from time to time. I think the actual clip-ins, the ones that I have, yes, and they're still super amazing. And I got them, I think, last year and the year before. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. So I'm going to start by slicking down my hair. By the way, my hair is very dirty. If you watched my last video, that's basically the hairstyle that I took out, and I had to go to lunch with my sister. So I basically finished out taking my hair, and my sister was like, "Do you want to go for lunch?" So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So I decided to basically do this. It basically took about 5 minutes because I'm really just used to putting my hair into a bun. If you're not, it's probably going to take about 10 to 15 minutes. I really think 5 minutes is an amazing time to do your hair and look really cute. So this is what I decided to do to meet my sister for lunch, and then I basically came home and washed my hair after that. But as you can see, only the front section matters. The front section is super slick and it looks nice, and my hair doesn't look dirty because we don't want to go out with hair that looks dirty or smells dirty. It didn't smell dirty, believe me. When you use the Shine and Jam Gel, it smells pretty good, so it doesn't make the hair smell bad, and my hair wasn't smelling bad to begin with, but I'm just saying. I feel like I need to make excuses because you know how I'm all about taking care of your hair to take care of yourself. Please do that. Don't go out with dirty hair like I did, but you know, if you really need to, I really needed to eat and I wanted to see my sister, so this worked. Like, I'm so glad I got this wig right in time to basically do this. The hair feels really nice, really soft, really beautiful, and as you can see, it's very easy to put on. I don't know if you've had a half wig before, but it basically has all the combs that you would have, and the headband you basically just tie it at the back as well, and it doesn't move. It feels really stable, if that's the word that we can use. But as you can see, I just went in with water because I haven't had the chance to wash the hair, and I'm really just going for lunch, so I'm just going to use water only, and then when I come back, when I wash my hair, I'm also going to wash the wig as well. You should always wash hair before installing it because people use different chemicals to preserve the hair and all that stuff, so make sure you always wash it. I am only going for lunch, and after putting on this hair, basically what happened is that I was feeling myself too much, so I decided to add some earrings, although I almost always wear earrings when I go outside. And then just cause, you know, I decided to add my, you know, my everyday red lipstick because I was like, I'm not going to go outside looking the way that I was feeling before. And mind you, I had told my sister that I am not going to try at all, but she's my sister, she knows me. I usually say I'm not going to try and then show up looking all, cute. Because when I start getting dressed, honestly, I usually feel so excited and I usually end up going a little over the top than I should. Which is why I always advise you guys to try to dress up, try to do something small like putting on lipstick or doing your hair, because it inspires you to do so many other things for yourself. So as you can see, I couldn't put on the headband because I was afraid it was going to mess up my hair at the front, so I decided to try the scarves instead. And again, I absolutely love this silk scarf. I thought it would be beautiful because my dress was also like a silk sort of material, so I thought it would be nice together. And because my dress is only one color, I thought that I could get away with the pattern around the scarf. And I tried different ones after I came back. So this is the basic one, and then here is the scarf that I tried, and then here is the one that I was showing you guys, and then I tried the scarf as well. Never mind. Okay, there we go. So I tried this other scarf, which I actually think goes better with this dress because it also has some red in it. But that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section and check out the description section about the hair, and I will see you guys on Saturday. Have a lovely week. Bye.